Hey there, everybody. So, I just released my airplane pilot voice pack called This Is Your Captain Speaking. And I wanted to give everyone a little teaser, something you can actually use in your own projects. So, I put together a free sample pack. It includes one audio file for each folder in the full collection. So, everything from takeoff.
300.
Water evacuation like necessary. Remove the vessel.
One of the city in the sky's most important hidden networks. A web of location markers dotted across the planet known as waypoints.
300.
So how does he know where to go? The answer lies with one of the city in the sky's most important hidden networks. A web of location markers dotted across the planet known as waypoints.
Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has one. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has one. Pull the door open a little more. Right. Okay. I'm going to pull it now. Houston, the Mesa came down, all right. Houston, roger, we copy and we're standing by for your TV. Houston, this is Neil, radio check. Neil, this is Houston, loud and clear. Break, Buzz, this is Houston, radio check and verify TV circuit breaker in. Roger, TV circuit breaker's in. And base 5 clear. Roger. And we're getting a picture on the TV. Okay. You got a good picture, huh? There's a great deal of contrast in it, and currently it's upside down on our monitor, but we can make out a fair amount of detail. Okay, everything's nice and straight in here. Okay, can you pull the door open a little more? Right. Yeah. Okay, will you verify the position, I'm going to pull the opening I ought to have on the camera? Houston, the Mesa came down, all right. Houston, roger, we copy and we're standing by for your TV. Houston, this is Neil, radio check. Neil, this is Houston, loud and clear. Break, okay, Neil, we can see you coming down the ladder radio now. Check and verify TV circuit breaker in. Your TV circuit breaker's in. Okay, I just checked. Roger. Getting back up to that first step. And we're getting a picture on the TV.